Our modern world thrives on technology. Every day we rely on a multitude of devices to stay connected, informed, and entertained. Smartphones, laptops, electric vehicles, all of these depend on powerful batteries. These devices have become integral to our daily lives, shaping the way we communicate, work, and travel. These batteries have a secret ingredient, lithium. This essential component is what makes our devices run longer and more efficiently. It's a light, reactive metal. Lithium's unique properties make it ideal for high-energy storage, which is crucial for modern technology. And it's everywhere in our devices. From the smallest gadgets to the largest electric vehicles, lithium is the backbone of our battery-powered world. The demand for lithium is skyrocketing. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, the need for lithium grows exponentially. We are on track to use over 3 million metric tons of lithium by 2030. This surge in demand is driven by the rapid adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy storage solutions. That's a tenfold increase from just a decade ago. The past 10 years have seen an unprecedented rise in lithium consumption, reflecting our growing dependence on battery technology. This rapid growth in demand raises serious concerns. Can we keep up? The pressure is on to find sustainable and efficient ways to meet this soaring demand without depleting our resources or harming the environment. Sustainability is crucial for our planet's future. Tech giant Microsoft is stepping up to the challenge. They're investing heavily in research and development to find solutions. Their secret weapon? Artificial intelligence. Microsoft is using AI to revolutionize battery technology. They're exploring new materials that could replace lithium. These materials could be more abundant, sustainable, and efficient. Lithium mining comes at a cost. Extracting lithium from the earth can harm the environment. It requires vast amounts of water, a precious resource in many parts of the world. The process can also contaminate water sources and disrupt local ecosystems. The environmental impact of lithium mining is a serious concern. As the demand for lithium grows, so does the pressure to find more sustainable ways to source it. Section 4. The Quest for Sustainable Solutions. In today's rapidly evolving world, the quest for sustainable solutions has never been more critical. As we push the boundaries of technology, we must also consider the environmental impact of our advancements. The tech industry is facing a significant challenge. With the increasing demand for advanced technologies, the need for essential materials like lithium has skyrocketed. How can they meet the growing demand for lithium while minimizing its environmental impact? The extraction process is not only resource-intensive but also poses serious environmental risks. Recycling is part of the solution. By reprocessing used batteries, we can reclaim valuable materials and reduce the strain on natural resources. Recovering lithium from old batteries can significantly reduce the need for new mining operations. This not only conserves resources but also mitigates the environmental damage caused by mining. But recycling alone won't be enough. The demand for lithium continues to grow, and we must look beyond traditional methods. We need to find alternative materials. Researchers are exploring innovative solutions to replace lithium with more sustainable options. Materials that are abundant and less harmful to extract. These alternatives could revolutionize the industry and pave the way for a more sustainable future. This is where Microsoft's AI comes in. By leveraging artificial intelligence, we can optimize resource use, improve recycling processes, and discover new materials faster than ever before. The future of sustainable technology depends on our ability to innovate and adapt. Section 5. A glimpse into the future. Microsoft's groundbreaking research. Microsoft is exploring a range of alternative battery materials. They are using AI to analyze vast data sets. AI can identify promising candidates with specific properties. It's a faster and more efficient way to innovate. One material stands out: graphene. This one-atom-thick layer of carbon atoms has incredible potential. It's incredibly strong, conducts electricity extremely well, and is readily available. Section 6. The future is bright. Embracing a sustainable tomorrow. As we look ahead, the vision of a sustainable future becomes clearer and more attainable. Microsoft's research offers hope for a more sustainable future. Their innovative projects are paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in green technology. Imagine a world powered by batteries that are both powerful and environmentally friendly. These batteries could revolutionize how we store and use energy, reducing our carbon footprint significantly. This is the future Microsoft is working towards. Their state-of-the-art research centers are buzzing with activity, all aimed at creating a greener tomorrow. What do you think about the future of battery technology? Experts are constantly brainstorming and collaborating to push the boundaries of what's possible. How can we balance our technological needs with the health of our planet? This is a crucial question that drives much of the research and innovation in sustainable technology. Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Your ideas and insights are valuable as we collectively work towards a sustainable future. Let's embrace this journey together and make a lasting impact.